Clean, we're here in Leicester this morning, and first up is a VW Golf. This is a 1.6 diesel. This one is a 2010 model, 104,000 on the clock. No particular running issues with this one. The owner's just been recommended by a VW specialist to us to get it checked over and cleaned up. Now, he has had issues with a problem with his automatic gearbox. That code was only cleared a couple of days ago by the specialist. That's not reappeared. In terms of the engine section, it's clear. Last regeneration was 15 miles ago. Back pressure nice and low. All the temperature sensors working fine, and a nicely behaving thermostat on this one. Keeping it at 90, managing to get it up to 96. And when the fans are on inside, it's only dropping as far as 86 and no further. So nicely behaving thermostat on this one. Otherwise, just in need of a clean-up. It's always been run on Shell V-Power through its life. It's running very sweetly, actually. So we're just giving this a clean-up now. So engine was nice and quiet compared to a lot that we go to. Just shows what good fuel can do for it. Yeah, nice standard clean-up. No particular issues. Yeah, great booking to start the day with.